Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys.
For
so today
mommy,
guys,
not for my channel.
so today guys is I'm going to show you what I purchased in B&M, Home Bargains, and Sainsbury's and Adidas. Actually, I have two boxes here from Adidas. So I'll show you what I purchased. Unfortunately, my son is here and most of that is for him, for the Christmas. So, but it's okay, my son doesn't mind it. So let's, oh, by the way, before, okay Alex, come on, this is my page. This is my page.
I'm not talking about to you. I only talked about to
By the way, before that, I'll just show you my Monstera. This one is only $7.50 from Sainsbury's, which is, I'm very happy. And I wanted to buy,
one thing in B&M we buy is only £2.
I wanted 20. That's £20. I wanted to buy another one. I forgot the names. I forgot the name, but it's a bit bigger and I like it also. So I might go back because
B&M?
Yeah, it's £20 only. So, but this one is $7.50 and then I'll buy again. I like plants a lot. So yeah,
Maybe because you need to take more care of it because it's a baby.
Yeah, or maybe here. Yeah, this one is I like it. I don't know, I like it. Anyway, let's open this.
So don't you back
Big
to the
box.
legs.
Oh, you can see my address. This is so big. Let me remove my address.
Yeah.
It's like direct I purchased from. Okay, thank you. Direct from
Damage
Adidas.
you. Look across the door. Look how I damage it, Bobby.
Yeah, thank you.
I damage it without even scissors.
Okay.
Stronger
Here,
now.
here, this one.
I'm so much stronger now.
Okay, how about this? Can you open it? So yeah.
That's free strip me.
And this one, can you remove this?
Now.
Can you remove the address?
Yeah.
So yeah, today's Sunday, guys. Oh, look at that! Look at that.
You.
This.
Oh.
So the first item is.
Oh.
Actually, but I purchased this. It's because it's sell in Adidas. It's cheaper than the normal one. My son's shoes is always like this because it's more comfy for him.
Red.
Yeah, like red, blue, like that. So
You're getting
all the same model, just different
color.
colors sometimes different sizes. Because you know what, my son is so choosy when it comes to shoes. So if I buy shoes for him that he doesn't like, he really will not wear it. So I don't want to waste money. So I just buy what brand, what kind of model he likes. So this is for his Christmas gift. Anyway, during Christmas, he will pretend he didn't see it.
And it's bad. At least if the style is not like that one.
And the next is...
inside.
Oh, this is a bit bigger. This is his school shoes, and this shoes is really adorable. This is really nice shoes, guys. If you're looking shoes for your school shoes for your kids, I always purchase this since my son is in reception. This shoes. I just changed the this is the name. I just choose the size, change the size, but it's always the same. And it's adorable, really adorable. Yeah, there's no damage, anything. It's just that my son will, the feet become bigger. That's why I need to change, but there's no damage. Really, really good. So I just purchased in advance. And then, next is another box. Thank you. It's okay, and then here. Give me, I'll show you. Thank you, Alex. And I have also Primark haul. I think I have more things in the app.
Let's see if right side wasn't lying. Let's see. Show me the
Alex, no, I'm picking with you.
I need to see.
Not yet. And then next is this one. Alex, don't research yet. Okay. So this is the next box. Adidas still. And this is sell. But before, even if it's not sell, I wanted to buy it really. And then when I saw it sell, I'm very happy because it's sell. And this is the Taekwondo shoes. Okay. Size 9. What do you think? Is it good, guys? Yeah. Because John doesn't like when the shoes is with high heels. He like this, very thin. And it's good for taekwondo when you're doing that. Look. It's I forgot, it's like 60 pounds or something, but normally this is 90 something, 90 plus. Okay, I'm happy with that. And next is next is from okay, I have Amazon. Oh my god, I have Amazon more. Okay. Anyway, I have Amazon here. Sometimes when you're ordering, yeah.
What's the little
Oh, I have from Argos also. Okay, anyway. This one, I need to get something from Argos that I purchased online. So this is the one.
Next, 2 more
Just
days.
charger. Imagine, just I purchased charger. It's because, you know, I have many phones, so I need charger all the time. Yeah.
We still
This is
in the
12
lead
pounds,
on my channel.
both of this.
We're
12
still
pound
in the
each.
lead
No,
on my
12 pound
channel.
overall. Next, Poundland. I grabbed this bra. I hope, Alex, they cannot see.
You know I'm British.
Okay,
and
Alex, they cannot see.
Filipino.
Go up.
And I'm
Alex.
better, okay?
Alex, they will see by now. So this one is from Primark, and this is smoothing bralette. So hopefully this is comfy and nice. I'm looking for comfy now. And socks. I always purchase socks because when it's you know, like not white anymore, I don't use it. And then this mug, £1 only. Yeah, look at, just £1. It's £6 normally. Alex, no, Alex, no, don't do that. No, because this one, when it's like that, you cannot cut it. If you cut it, it's finished. So don't do, okay? I'm almost done.
No, mommy, I mean...
No, don't do that, don't do that. It will stop. It will stop. Believe me. Okay, just sit down here. Just help me to show them. Okay. Okay, just sit down here. Sit down and then we talk later. Alex, I'm
Please
doing...
help me then.
Okay. Okay. Sit down here. Sit down here so we can show to them. Oh, he's like a baby. He's like a baby.
To be this channel.
And this is my son's purchased this from Sainsbury's. I didn't want. He's not eating chocolates, but he purchased it
Mommy, it's just for Christmas.
just to show in the
Mommy,
Christmas tree.
it's just for Christmas to eat.
Yeah,
What's
but
wrong?
he doesn't really eat chocolate. Next is, oh, this is from Poundland. This is like mix. Poundland number 3 is just because it's sell. Yeah. It's 80 pence, maybe 50 pence. And then this is from Primark. This is sell also. I just grabbed many because it's just 50 pence each. So, you know, for like Teacher's Day or something, if I want to give gift to the teacher, I can use this. And then this is, I don't know what is this, like Kiro P. It's just £3, so I decided to purchase it because it's from £5. You know, when I see something sell, I wanted to purchase, even I don't know. But I might search about it. What is it? Next is this. Oh, I purchased this. Oh my god, I purchased this again today. Yeah, this is last time I purchased, and today I purchased again. It's there in the other box. Yeah, so I purchased this again because we went
Just
to...
to tell you guys, if you know Doja Iceland tried to beat my score, which my high score, which is 51,000 something.
So this
That's
one,
very
£4.
big, right?
£4. I have this another one, and this is Happy Birthday Tupper from Poundland. So it's like mix this bag. Oh, this one, it's sell. That's why I purchased many because it's just 50 pence from Oh, actually it's just really 50 pence. Oh, too bad. I thought it's more. I purchased this because I thought it's sell, and it's not sell. This is the original price. Oh, silly me. I thought it's sell. I purchased it. Oh, let's get many because it's sell, but it's not. Actually, I purchased more. Oh yeah, look. I purchased many because of that. Oh, this is from the what is this? Sainsbury's. It's because
Happy
it's fell.
birthday to Alex. Happy birthday to Alex.
And oh look,
Happy
another
birthday to Alex.
from
the
Sainsbury's fell also.
rockstar. Happy birthday to Alex
then-
the rockstar. Happy birthday, Alex rockstar. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Alex rockstar.
Then happy birthday, yeah, like that. I always purchase this because sometimes when I need, at least it's ready. So this is happy birthday from Poundland. This is from Poundland for the Christmas hooks. And then this is from Poundland or Sainsbury's. I think Poundland because I'm buying different candies, different shops, like some in Home Bargain, some in B&M, some in Sainsbury's, some in Poundland, like that. So I don't know, I just want to mix it. I have many chocolates, but I add more because there's many kids here actually. Many kids.
Yeah,
In our
there's so
state.
much. We just had a zero, not even one single for us to eat.
Oh, look, there's more candles. I purchased
Wait,
again.
but mommy,
Candles since Sainsbury's.
you
So
know the other ones that I got from them.
yeah.
Are they not expired still?
No, I give it to somebody. And this is for birthday, like tupper. Happy birthday, like, and then confetti. Yeah, but we don't use it. And then I purchased this trouser for my son. Because actually this trouser is really strong. I bought a trouser before for a school jogger from Matalan or Sainsbury's, but it's not so strong. Like my son knee here, this part become like damaged so fast that time. So I'm buying now in Primark. Yeah, because that time
My
just
bone
one
is
time.
strong, you know.
And then this is
And
in
some people
B&M.
get hurt by that.
So first, before that,
you won't, but
I will show you this one because we dropped by in Primark today. So look at, I have two now. Because I like to write, I like to color things. It's like
I like to move it.
I like doing
I
some
like
arts.
to move it. I like 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 to move it.
Look,
I like to move it.
this is 50
I like
pence.
to move it.
This
I like
is
to move it.
50
I like
pence.
to
I have
move
many
it. Let's
baskets
go.
here.
Oh boy.
I have many basket here from Tesco last time. Like I have
That's not
there.
Tesco,
but
that's B&M.
yeah, no, I have in Tesco, but I still purchase. I don't know why. I have many basket now. Like in Tesco 3, I purchased, and now in B&M 50 pence each. But in Tesco that is sell. It's normally 180, and then this give us 50 pence, and this one 50 pence. I don't know. Because sometimes the kids doesn't have any bucket. That's why I purchased. And this one, it's not this is not healthy. That's why my son will just eat once a year only noodles once a year. And he knows that because it's not really healthy. Sometimes I'm craving for
it's
it.
not really healthy, it's unhealthy.
Yeah, unhealthy. And this one, fruit shoot, my son will drink also hay once a day only.
Hello, look guys at everything. 0 fat, sulfur 0, sugars 3% and 1%. And if you look in the weight list, salt 0.6 g, sugars 2.4 g, sulfur 0, fat 0.
He cannot drink it maybe once a week. Once a week, okay? So no more because you drink already.
Look at that.
Yeah, okay, but it's not healthy.
Green,
still.
green, guys.
Still not healthy, guys.
Green.
So my son likes healthy things. So
Green.
and then Nescafe.
And the other flavor is 1% healthier.
I have a coffee maker here, but sometimes I'm craving for instant coffee. Even I have my own.
Say in the comments if you agree.
And then more candies,
To me,
chocolates.
not to mummy.
And then I purchased one sparklers.
Did mommy say
in Home Bargains.
CR709?
And then I purchased two more
Hey, wait,
for,
look,
for
Ronaldo.
New Year.
Say CR7.
Maybe Christmas also
Say
we
messy
can
for
use.
ha. Ha ha ha.
I don't know, maybe. And then this is from
Oh,
Home Bargains. This is good for storing my son's toys and something, because we have many toys, so I need to hide it because he's not using it. So yeah. And then this is from B&M. Yeah, it will expire 2027. Yeah, it's really for Halloween. So it's like eyeballs. And then this one is from, it's mixed actually or not. I know this is just from Home Bargains. So I purchased this party rings. I will add it also in our Halloween candies or something. A little bit of this. I have many actually already. I will check if I need to buy more. And then this one. Great for sharing. Frutella. Yeah. Because you know why I purchased more candies now? It's because last year, when I came home, it's really empty our bucket, oh my god, something for candies. So I feel bad for some kids that, you know. Yeah, and then this is zebra because I like to write, so that's why I always purchase pens and
you like
everything.
this cake or you don't.
Alex did it down, and then tape, and then another ball pen because I like to write. You know, sometimes I'm writing in this book, and then after 2 days, 3 days, I will write the same thing in another book, and then another book. It's like repeating things.
Phoebe, what you say? I won in chess. I won in chess. I won in chess. I won in
Good
chess.
one.
I won in chess.
For my car,
I do the chess.
and then I purchased this air compressor last time, and it's pretty good. So this one I will give it to someone. Yeah, it's not expensive. It's just £5, guys. So it's really nice, £5. And I used it 2 times already, mine, and this one is for my friend. And then this one for my son's arts, because he likes to do some arts now also, so I'll give it to him. And then this is, I think, new. What do you think? Is it new? I'm not sure, but I never saw this. And then tuna. Long time I'm not eating tuna, you know, so I just purchased again, but really long time.
But we saw it in Daddy's parent toilet, Mama.
Yeah, because we are like, we want to we like to, what do you call this one? We like to eat healthy here, and we don't want to use cans, like preservative like that. So, but sometimes I'm craving for canned goods. And then jalapeno, I love jalapeno. And then more candies. Ooh, we have so many candies. And then still I have already in the bucket, it's full. And then more chocolates for the Halloween. We're excited for Halloween. If you want to see, I will show you. Maybe I show you our decor, but it's not finished yet because I cannot find my old Halloween decor. I think it's in the shed, so I need to check in the shed to get it, because I think it's okay, but I want more. And then this one, wipes, because it's good, you know. It's good for the handbag. That's it, guys. We're done now. How many days before I go Christmas? Is it 62?
No.
Or it's wrong?
I think you make, because I think you put a duck in the different.
Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, guys. Wait, Alex, I will cut mine. My son have his